And the BJP has countered the opposition's charge over these new criminal laws. The BJP has said that these laws have transitioned India's legal framework on criminal justice into a new age. So after the opposition raised doubts over these new laws and the opposition said that they were not consulted for these three new criminal laws, now the BJP has countered the charge, saying that these laws have transitioned India's legal framework on criminal justice into a new age. Our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is with us on this story. Pallavi, what are the objections being raised by the opposition over these new laws?
Well, the opposition is saying on two grounds. One is that they are draconian in nature. It can be open to misuse by the investigative agencies as well as the police. And just when people were beginning to understand the earlier laws, has come these new three laws. And what the opposition is saying is that these laws could have, in any case, the existing laws could have been tweaked. You keep on making some amendments and modernize them. But what is the bigger objection coming in from them, which explains the multiple adjournment notices which have been given by them, is the circumstances in which the bills became laws. That is, more than 135 opposition MPs were suspended from parliament. So their opposition voice was not factored in. It was hurriedly sent to a standing committees. It should have required more debate and discussion. And when you saw that there were a large number of opposition MPs who have been suspended, what was the need to pass this law in the din? And therefore they are saying that the government now should put it on hold. They should relook it. There should be more debate and discussion. And whatever the opposition's concerns are must be addressed by the government, and also those concerns can also be factored into some more tweaking of the existing laws. There has been a precedence for this according to opposition parties. The government also have the power to put it on hold, and for example, the farm laws were put on hold. Similarly, the government can also step in and do so. I have my doubts really, because the government is already defending it by saying that it had gone to a standing committee. We have taken note of the dissenting voices of the TMC and of the Congress party. And also this is a modernization. We cannot have colonial British time laws when circumstances have changed. And therefore this is a needless attack coming in from the opposition parties.
All right, Pallavi, please stay with us. We also have CNN News 18's Sherin Elizabeth with us on the story. Sherin, the opposition is demanding that there should be a pause on these criminal laws, but they have already been implemented. So what is going to be the further strategy of the opposition?
Well, certainly this will be an issue that will be raised by a number of opposition parties. We have in fact spoken to a number of the Congress MPs who have in fact given adjournment notice when it comes to this particular new criminal laws being implemented starting today. They all have been saying that the way it was in fact implemented, how over 135, 140 MPs were in fact suspended, and it was bulldozed. The way the bill was passed in December 2023 was in fact bulldozed by the government is the allegation that is coming in from the government. Now, what really is the demand of the opposition parties are that it should in fact be sent, the entire bill, the entire criminal law should in fact be sent to the JPC. The Joint Parliamentary Committee should look into it. They should revise and rework on it, and then only a final review with all the stakeholders should be done, and then only it should be implemented. But as of now, it is not really good enough to implement, is what the allegation that is coming in from the opposition. Not just the way it was implemented, they are also in fact saying that the content of the new criminal laws are in fact very flawed. There's a lot of criticism that is coming when it comes to the police custody, which has now been extended from 15 days to 90 days. The bail process, all this has in fact come as a criticism when it comes to the new criminal law, and this is going to be one issue apart from the need that is going to be raised by a number of opposition parties in the parliament today.
All right, Sherin, Pallavi, Anshul and Ananya, please stay with us.